Hi everybody. We at Shakar Ganj Metals have been actively involved in the steel market over a decade in the production and fabrication of steel products. In this video, we will show you one of our field of interest, which is our in-house production of cable trays, as it has given us a tremendous outcome. Our final product is of high quality and durability. This is because we have always kept our customer preferences as our goal. And by the help of our skillful workers and staff, we are able to strive and produce the best final product. So, let us start by showing you how we at Shakar Ganj Metals make this happen. Enjoy.
As it being the initial stage to the commencement of the production process, it has to be done with dire professionalism and care. At this point is when we initiate the use of our qualified team of engineers who come in to conduct the tests. The first step is to get the quality of the material, whereby we have to make sure whether it has the tensile strength that is strong enough for it to undertake the process. If it is a GI sheet which is galvanized, the surety comes from checking the microns on a pre-galvanized sheet, and likewise if it is a MS sheet, we carefully select by testing the tensile and grades that come in this type of sheets. After being checked by our team of engineers and given a thumbs up, it is ready to be put through to the next process.
SafeMusicList.com, royalty-free music for marketing and promotional videos. SafeMusicList.com, royalty-free music for marketing and promotional videos.
Now, in this process, we forward the tested material to the machines where the sheets are cut and sized according to the measurements that are given by customers who have placed their specific orders. This is a really important stage, as wrong sizing will lead to a difference in the final product. Therefore, our machine workers are put to test, as they have to perform the duty with great accuracy.
SafeMusicList.com, royalty-free music for marketing and promotion.
After being correctly sized, the sheets come to this stage where our skillful workers undertake mechanical punching using special dies to create a pattern of slots or decorative shapes to give an attractive look to the final product.
SafeMusicList.com, royalty-free music for marketing and promotional videos. SafeMusicList.com, royalty-free music for marketing and promotional videos.
In this next process, the perforated sheets are moved to the bending bench where our team of skillful workers are involved, as this process has to be done very carefully due to the angles to which the cable tray must be bent, as this process has to overcome both tensile stress and compressive stress. This particular process marks the cable tray's final look.
SafeMusicList.com, royalty-free music for marketing and promotional videos. SafeMusicList.com, royalty-free music for marketing and promotional videos.
final product is then moved to the paint department, where it is painted or powder coated according to customer demand, or it is just conducted by our skillful staff in a manner that makes it withhold the standard required for coating. After this, our team of technicians test the painted product so as to assure that the bonding and coating of the final product is of high quality, which in turn assures that the final product is efficient and is guaranteed to be able to withstand any climatic condition. Here you will view some of the examples of our finished products.
SafeMusicList.com, royalty-free music for marketing and promotional videos. SafeMusicList.com, royalty-free music for marketing and promotional videos.
So, this is how we perform our in-house production of cable trays, and we assure that the final product that leaves our hand will be of great quality and efficiency that will be able to meet the demands and desires of the project in which it is to be undertaken. We hope you enjoyed the video and see how we at Shakar Ganj Metals are professional in the way we do our work. Thank you very much.
For more info, please contact us and give us your feedbacks. The contact details are on the page that is running. Kindly like and subscribe to our page to view more exciting videos regarding how we conduct our duties at Shakar Ganj Metals. Thank you for watching.